In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter in Mailchimp, step by step, even if you've never built an email campaign before. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a newsletter, choose a design, customize the content, and get it ready to send to your audience. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Mailchimp and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of your email marketing campaigns, including newsletters and automated emails. After that, click Create. You'll see a few options appear, so choose Email. This tells Mailchimp that you want to build a standard email newsletter. Next, click Regular. This is the normal option for sending a one-time newsletter to your subscribers, and it's the best choice if you're creating a basic campaign. Now, Mailchimp will ask you to name your campaign. Give it a clear, easy-to-recognize name so you can find it later, especially if you're managing multiple campaigns. Once you've named it, click Begin. At this point, Mailchimp will take you to the Design section, where you can choose how your newsletter will look. One option is to use a fully designed template. Keep in mind that some template options may require an upgraded plan, but they can be very useful if you want a more polished, professional layout right away. If you're just getting started, it's a good idea to browse the available templates and select one that fits your brand and your content. After choosing a template, you can start editing it. This is where the fun part begins. You can change the text, update the headlines, replace images, and customize buttons to match your message. If you want to promote a product, share an update, or send out an announcement, make sure your newsletter is clear, visually appealing, and easy to read. As you edit, try to keep your design simple and organized. Use short paragraphs, bold headings, and strong call to action buttons so your readers know exactly what to do next. When you're happy with everything, click Save and Exit. This saves your changes and keeps your newsletter ready for the next step. Finally, when everything looks good, click Send. That will send your newsletter out to your audience. Before sending, always double-check your content links and images so everything appears exactly the way you want. And that's it. You've now created a newsletter in Mailchimp. It's a straightforward process once you know where to click, and now you can repeat it anytime you need to send an update, promotion, or announcement to your subscribers. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.